Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find your API key on Binance. Alright, so first up, go ahead and go to Binance.com right here. And once you're on your dashboard, what you'll do is just go ahead over to your profile, just hover your mouse onto it. Okay, and then once done, go ahead and click on settings right here. Okay, click on settings. Now the left panel, you will be able to see account. Okay, just click on account. And then once done, click on API management. So click on it. And then once done, go ahead and go to the top, click on create API. But if you do have an API, you'll be able to see it right here, okay, in this section. If not, just click on create API. Now, should it be system generated or self-generated? It's up to you. I'm just going to use a system generated right here, so it'll be automatic. And by using this, it works with HMAC symmetric encryption. And the other one, which is self-generated, works with ED25519 or RSA asymmetric encryption. Okay, so I'm just going to hit on next, give it a name or a descriptive name, for example, my crypto app, and then just hit on next. Now it needs you to verify with the two options right here. Okay, it could be a passkey, facial verification, or email. Okay, so finish doing the security verification, and once that's done, your API key will pop up. And you could also edit the restrictions for a new key, like enable reading for tax software, even setting up access restrictions for enhanced security before saving. Okay, so never share your secret key, as it is like your password, and only grant permissions if needed. Okay, and that is of course to avoid unauthorized trading or withdrawals. So once you've seen your API key, save it to a safe place, and you will be able to see that you have generated an API key in this section. Okay, that is how you find your API key here on Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.